For the diaphragmatic breathing, preferably with the client lying down and with the knees bent, I will place my hand on her stomach, and I will ask the client to visualize or imagine or try to lift the hands on the abdomen with their breath, or maybe imagine that they're inflating a balloon. Then ask them to take a deep breath through their nose and exhale through the mouth. And here's how to do it. For the pursed lip breathing, with the mouth closed, I will ask the client to breathe in slowly through the nose. Then breathe out slowly through the mouth with the lips in a whistling position or like blowing a candle. And breathing out should take us twice as long as breathing in. And here's how to do it. For the productive coughing technique, assuming that the CL has practiced diaphragmatic breathing, I will prepare the client for this technique, and I will ask the client to clear all of the air out of the lungs. I will ask the client to begin by taking a gentle breath in, and blow it out slowly for 3 to 4 seconds. And then inhale slowly using the diaphragm. After breathing in slowly, hold it for 3 seconds. And then use the stomach muscles to make 3 rapid coughing sounds. And here's how to do it. And you can repeat this with your clients for about 3 times and then take a rest.